In the heart of the giggling jungle, there lived a gorilla named Bongo, who loved one thing more than anything else: bananas. One morning, after his fourth banana, Bongo stood up, did a little spin, slipped on a peel, and bam! He landed on his feet with a splat twist shake that looked like a banana boogie. Everyone stared, then burst into laughter.
"Do it again, Bongo," shouted Polly the parrot.
Was that dancing?
And just like that, the banana dance went viral in the jungle. A cheetah does the dance too fast and rolls into a bush. A hippo tries the twist and accidentally belly flops into a mud puddle. Even the sleepy sloth wiggles, very slowly. Bongo danced day and night, but soon he started hiccuping bananas. Hic, banana, hic, banana.
Too much dancing.
After the craziest jungle jam ever, Bongo learned that sharing joy was even better than bananas. Almost.
Okay, maybe joy and bananas together.
Try the banana dance at home. Laughter is the best dance move.